Hello all of you, and we are here once again with one more sum of trigonometry, in which we will try to understand how to observe the sum, how to analyze the sum, how to make our action plan, and how to get the first push to solve the sums. So sum is here in front of you on your screen. Yep. And our first step to understand the sum is to observe it very sharply. Correct? So in the right hand side we have sin A into cos A, and in the LHS that we need to observe very clearly. Okay, to make our action plans, we can see that in the denominator we have some of the 1 plus tan square A and 1 plus cot square A are the parts of the identity. So we are going to use the identity in the denominator as our first step of action plan, and after that we will use the reciprocal. This you can understand by thinking little further ahead. Okay, and after utilizing the reciprocal we will try to make use of trigonometric definitions so that we will turn all the terms into sine and the cos. Correct? So here we are moving ahead with the LHS. So copy the LHS as it is and then proceed further according to our action plan. So let's get going. Here is our LHS in front of your screen, right? And 1 plus tan square A that you are looking in the denominator is nothing but the part of identity, and that will give the result as sec square A, right? Yes. And on the other side we have 1 plus cot square A, that is the again half part of the identity, which will result in cosec square A. And while mentioning it, please do not miss out the squares which we have to write outside the bracket, right? So don't forget to write the reasons also, that is by identity. And if you are not able to recall the identities, you are free to go to watch the previous videos. Okay, so next step is for to write the reciprocal, and we know that 1 upon sec equal to cos, right? And 1 upon cosec equal to sine, and that values we have to write as a reciprocal value of the sec and cosec in the given equation as we are looking at the screen. And after writing the reciprocal value as you are looking at the screen, we have to do simple mathematics, and that we have to do by using the rules of indices. Any number power to the power, we have to do the multiplication of the power. Correct? And now time to observe your RHS, the answer part. We have only sine and cos in the answer part. That is why we have to do such an arrangement that we will cancel out all tan and cot, and we will left out with only cos and sine. And there we know by the trigonometric relations, tan A equal to sine A upon cos A, and cot A can be turned into cos A upon sine A, and that is what we are doing presently on the screen, right, my dears? And here onwards, if you observe, I can cancel out sine A in the denominator and sine from the numerator. Same goes with the cos A in the denominator and cos in the numerator, right? Their powers will be reduced by 1, and there we are left with sine A into cos cube A, right, added by cos A into sine cube A, right? Now what to do? If you observe the terms that we received clearly, we will come to know that we can take out some common terms from them, right? If you observe clearly, these common terms are nothing but sine A and the cos A itself, right? And the moment you remove this sine A into cos A, we are left with cos square A plus sine square A in the bracket, right? And this is what we are getting in the bracket is nothing but the identity that gives the outcome as 1, right? If you remember, and we are left out with only sine and cos A, and this is called aha moment, because that is what we are supposed to prove in the RHS, right, my dears? If you are facing any difficulty or getting any problem while solving it, don't forget to write in the comment box. I'll be there to help you. See ya, bye bye, take care.